almost done the part of the Biodigestor here. Biodigestor is the way your poop got treated before, and all the black water comes to the Biodigestor and separates the brown, black we call, it's not a dust, something you're gonna use later on as a compost. So your poop become compost and water. This is a part of the water. The better water will come out and go all the way through here for plants and the soil to be retreated. And also it will serve as natural water. What we don't recommend to use plants that are very close, that you eat and are very close to the soil. And here will come from the toilet the water to here, and here will be treated, and that way out is the way out that comes what we call the dirty the dense part of the compost. And that actually I will make something different in front in this area, like a 200 liters hole. Every year you come open it and let it dry. Whenever you feel the smell, you close it again, and the next year you just have here already some sand and rocks, so we can start to build something else. And my kid already can enjoy the space, so it's very nice, very enjoyable, ready. As I show you, I have a shower. The shower on the other side, together with the garden. Aria is running around with the music, and I will put the water. At the same time, I'm putting the water inside the Biodigestor. I'm throwing the same material. I remove it and press in it. I will not use the cement at all. That's what it is recommended in one of the instructions. So there's both of the instructions. If it was sand, if it's not rocky as it is, it's very rocky. This is very rocky, very solid soil. Was a month digging by myself. Yep. So I took my time, dig it all, make the measures to make it proper, because this has to work. It's not something simple. Suddenly, in a mistake, you lose 11,000 pesos. It's a bunch of money here. You know, so $500 for this little Biodigestor better work. So it's almost done, and we can keep going on this cleaning up on the containers, and that's it. Woo. That's my shower there in the bath. See you later.